What about nature? It is something we take for granted every single time. We walk around and see these things, the sky, the trees, everything life gives us is nature. It may be destructive, but it is also beautiful. They gave us food to eat, but what did you do? You wasted everything, wanted it all to be easy and fast and synthetic. One day, you will all realize the beauty of nature that gave us everything we ever wanted. Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come roll in all the riches all around you, and for once, never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends. And we are all connected to each other, in a circle, in a hoop that never ends.